Hello, I'm Keshav. Today I am presenting my project, a Kafka-based order processing platform with DLQ and retry mechanism. This system demonstrates real-world microservice architecture with fault tolerance, error handling, and real-time data processing using Apache Kafka. In distributed system, failure are invariable. Network issues, save timeout, and data validation errors can occur at any time. Traditional systems often lose message or crash when failure happens. My project shows that implementation using automatic retry mechanism for temporary failures, dead letter queues for failure messages, manual reprocessing capabilities, real-time analytics using Kafka streams, real limiting patterns. These are the technology I used. Backend as Spring Boot Java, messaging brokers as Apache Kafka, schema management as a Confluent schema registry, stream processing as a Kafka stream, database as a PostgreSQL, frontend as a React and Tailwind CSS, state management as a React query, and rate limiters. Before the demonstration, we will move into our flow of the project. Using frontend, we can place an order, then produce a publisher order in arrow format under orders topic. Then consumer subscribe that order topic, then it can get order that produced by the producer. Then if it success order, it will save into our database at same time aggregation service run on stream process. This system have retry mechanism and declare a queue. This happen in two ways. If order have temporary issue, it will retry 3 times and checking that order can process. Each and every time it try to process, if it success, it save in database. If that all time it fail, it go to DLQ. And other scenario is order having a permanent issue that directly go to DLQ and mark as a unsuccess order. Now we will see my backend codes. This come up with 5 different services with Docker Compass. Using Docker Compass, I run Zookeeper, Kafka, Stream Registry, Kafka UI, and PostgreSQL. These are the services I use. Auto service, order aggregation service, order consumer service, order publisher service, and frontend. Schema registry as a overall schema used to manage schemes. This is the schemes I use. This service ensures data capabilities. Producer service we use to publish Kafka topics so that we use string serializer and Kafka Auro serializer to serialize messages. DTO in Auro order format using topic orders it defined in application.property file. In order consumer service subscribe to Kafka topic. In this consumer listening to orders topic that we publish in producer. In here we use string deserializer and Kafka Auro deserializer to deserialize message. Using schema registry we validate our orders. Retry mechanism also handled in this service. We use retriable topic and backoff annotation to this is retry 3 times. These are the exception handle we use to permanent and temporary issues. There are 2 types of issues: network issues, database issues, service unavailable issues as a temporary issues, validation issues, duplication issues, invalid price issues as a permanent issues we use. In here, we save success order into the database. And also we handle DLQ logics and all order process should be transactional. This is order aggregation service. Using Kafka stream, it manages all analytics. This is order frontend. Now we are up and running our Docker Compass. It successfully up and run all the containers. Before moving to the final demonstration, we will run and test order using postman. In here, we are making the order ID end with 77. It's success in publisher order, but it failed in consumer side because we set order ID end with 77 as a already exist permanent issues. So it directly go to DLQ. Now we will try to new order ID end with 12. It's success and save in our database. This is our consumer log and producer log. We can see that is success in here also. If we use order ID end with 98, it should retry because we set that as a retry issue. So it successfully retry 3 times and it go to DLQ as a database timeout issue. Then we check analytics using application service endpoint and it successfully show all the details. These are the two success order out of the order we process save in our database because failing order we did not save in our database. This is the Kafka UI in Kafka and it message what we are published as a order. This is a consumer group and it listen to order topics. This is real demonstration. This is the my front end orders in real time. There is a producer page. We can produce order manually, random or bulk. In here it says this ID make a return issue and DLQ uses. Using that we can test our app. This is analytic page. It show all analytic, total orders done so far and different charts to show that analytics. This is the DLQ dashboard. It shows all failed orders with their details and we can retry or cancel that order manually. Let's make an order. This is a success flow. Now it shows real time in our dashboard as a success order. These are the backend logs. All analytics are updated and all analytics are correct. Let's make an order that having a permanent issue. It successful in producer side, but it not show in dashboard real time as this is not success issue. But it show as a fail order in DLQ and it show this happen of invalid format issue. This is the demonstration of how my app is working and this is the end of my demonstration. Thank you.